This is a short video on the different watercolor papers that I have been using throughout the cyanotype series. I thought this would be a fun exercise, and although they all seem to have nice tonal ranges, I still am a sucker for Fabriano's cold press and hot press 100% cotton watercolor paper. Here is a comparison with Fabriano's 100% cotton cold press and hot press. And here we have a comparison with Fabriano's 100% cold press watercolor paper with Fabriano's 25% cotton watercolor paper. And here we have them all together. My thoughts on Canson. I still haven't worked with this paper enough yet, but I have to admit I do like the color tone on the Canson paper. I like the fact that the blue is quite deep in tone. Even without making any adjustments, I find the highlights to be quite controlled when compared with the other papers. There is one other thing. As I was sensitizing the Canson watercolor paper, the paper began to curve upwards. Not that it's so much of an issue, it was just something I wasn't expecting, as I never had this issue with the other watercolor papers. Let's have one last look. Where I notice most of the differences fall within the highlights or the bright areas of the prints.